Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove someone in a meeting in Microsoft Teams. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So I have this meeting going on, and if you wish to know how many people are in a meeting so that you can remove someone, it's pretty simple. To do this, just go to the meeting and you can see this meeting is running. Then head to people here, and if I tap on people, you can see the meeting has 2 participants. So I'm the organizer and we have this account. Now in case you want to remove any participant, for instance, I want to remove this participant, just head over to these 3 lines for more option, and you can see we have remove from meeting option. If I just click on remove from meeting, now the account or the person will be removed from the meeting. And now you can see the meeting now has only 1 participant. So that's how you can remove someone from a meeting in Microsoft Teams. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.